Meaning of diamond wedding.
Diamond wedding.
Diamond wedding.
Diamond wedding.
Diamond wedding. A diamond wedding is a term used to describe a couple's 60th wedding anniversary. It is a significant milestone in a marriage and represents a lifetime of commitment and dedication to one another. The term originates from the fact that diamonds are the traditional gift given to couples who celebrate this anniversary. The diamond symbolizes the strength, resilience, and lasting love that the couple has demonstrated throughout their 60 years of marriage. It is a celebration of a beautiful and enduring union that has withstood the test of time.